So we're finally here, and look, because we're on our honeymoon. Even better, look at our view. Okay, let's do a room tour. So this is our back of our door. We're in room 3230, if anyone's interested in that kind of stuff. And this is the entryway, so it's a big walkway. And then we've got wardrobes. Quite a bit of space. Extra blanket and pillows up the top. Oh, the safe is in the wardrobe. Got a steamer in the safe, and then more wardrobe space here. And then in here, I'm guessing this is where the teas and coffees are. Yes. So we've got pods. There's decaf as well. And then I'm guessing this is where the fridge lives. How do I open your fridge? Yes, there's a fridge in there. Bin. You've got a little stand there for a suitcase. Plenty of drawer space. Our telly, because we're on honeymoon. We've got a husband. Nice little seating area. This mirror is very nice as well. Hello. I'll show the beds. And although we're on our honeymoon, my husband and wife will probably sleep in one each, because if you've got the space, use it, bros. These are massive, these beds. Huge. Absolutely huge. And then the best bit is the view. So Sparky opened the door. Wow. Feel that heat. So there is like a little table and chair out here, so I'll probably have it for my morning coffees out here. There's a giraffe over there.
No, it's walking that direction, but
so Sparky's seen a giraffe already, but look, you couldn't ask for a better review if you tried. Anything. Like a good crane. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Right, let's get refreshed. Forgot to show the bathroom. So, storage area is here. A hairdryer, which is good. Oh, and we actually get the minis. Very nice. Be nicking them. Makeup mirror, which is good. This huge mirror here. Hello. Hair is already up. Sparky's already unpacked a bit. And luckily we have a bath, because if we didn't have a bath, even though we had that amazing view, Sparky would probably be kicking off, because he needs a bath. Towels, very good. Nice pooper. And a very big bath and shower, and we've got H2O. Zebras! Zebras! Oh my god, the zebras!
Just at that corner.